Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Wolf, not the third, with Disability Resolution PA. The next question, 103 of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions, is what size laundry soap do you purchase? Okay, so we're talking about the time of travel size, the medium ones, the bigger ones with the twist cap on the back to let the air in for easy flow. What size? Because then we're getting into, okay, what's your lifting capacity? If you're coming out, oh yeah, I get the big one, that way I don't have to go back that often. Or, oh yeah, I get the big one because, you know, it's just one of those things where I like to use a lot of it because, you know, I sweat a lot, blah, blah, blah. Then all of a sudden we're getting into you have a higher level of lifting ability, okay, versus the travel size, the medium size, I can't lift as much, I have weakness in my arms, etc. All right, that's what that whole thing is about. All right. It also tells them that you do your own laundry. So when you're sitting there going, no, somebody else does my own laundry. Oh, what size laundry soap do you buy? Oh, I buy this soap because it's easier for me to do it this way. I will catch you guys a little bit later. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Also, if you want to like, subscribe, and leave 5 stars, that would be super duper. And if you want to catch up with me and ask me questions, free legal advice, 8 to 10 every Thursday, I go live on YouTube, and we'll catch up from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.